So this is a room tour of room 104 in Mango Bay Hotel, Holetown, Barbados. Now when we booked this property, there were 3 room options: a standard room, deluxe room and a superior room. So we went for the superior room, and I'll explain what that includes in a minute. But as you come in, you have a tub and shower. Just bear in mind, I'm checking out today, so I'll try to make it as clean and tidy as I can, but any mess is my mess, not the mess of the maids, etc. So, nice bathroom. I've actually left these shutters open. They obviously do close for privacy, but I've had my music on so it goes through to the bathroom while I'm having a shower. And then you have quite a lot of storage space here, your normal safe. There's hanging space that side. And actually I've only just realised there's more drawer space in there, which I haven't been using. And then the bed is absolutely huge. Huge. Suzanne was one side, I was the other, and it was like there was a cavern between us half the time. It was quite weird. Now, first thing I have to say, when you come to a country like Barbados, particularly in the height of summer, you need a decent AC unit, and this has been superb. I have slept perfectly every single night. You can complement that with a fan as well if you wish. Telly actually isn't very good, I'll be honest, not good at all. There's a couple of channels, I've been watching CBS mostly. There's BBC Worldwide for UK travellers. Now, one of the things that a superior room gets you is a fridge. Now, they stock this up with 2 cartons of juice, 2 Cokes, and 2 Sprites, plus 2 bottles of water every day. They come around every day religiously and top those up, along with some biscuits and various other things for the room. Obviously, this is all-inclusive, but that not all room types come with all-inclusive in the room. But the main reason for getting this room is the fact that this particular one, 104, and I have to say this is probably the best superior room you can get in this resort, because not only do you have a little alcove with some chairs here, which we tend to dart into if it was raining, which, as you know, in the Caribbean it tends to between sort of July and November quite regularly, but only short bursts, you know, it's not a problem. You get these sun loungers here as part of the package. Now, it's just after 7 AM here now, and actually it's quiet today. There's very few towels on loungers, but you've got to bear in mind with the COVID rules, if you remember my first video here, when you arrive you get a green band, and the green band has to stay on until you get the COVID result. During that time you're able to sit by the pool, but you're not allowed to go on the beach. Now what that basically means is whenever you have a couple of planes in of new arrivals, they all congregate around the pool for the first day until they get their test results. And I've seen all of these beds full by 7 AM before. So to have 2 reserved ones, and you can see the other lounges with the other ground floor apartments, they're not quite as good. They're shaded quite a lot of the day. That one doesn't have one at all, although I think they have the first 2 there. So basically, if you're going to stay in a superior room, I would definitely go for room 104, no doubt about it. I am just going to quickly show you the sea view rooms, or ocean view rooms I think they're called. We did think of doing that, but for a 15-night holiday it was an extra 1,500 quid, and I just thought, we're not really lie on the beach type of people, we prefer a pool. So we passed on this option. But these are the ocean view rooms. So again, you've got 4 at the bottom and a few more at the top there. And you know, you are going to get 2 beds, 2 single beds, 2 double beds, 2 queens, 2 doubles, 2 triples, 2 quads, 2 triples, 2 singles, 2 doubles, 2 triples, 2 quads, 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 2 singles, 2 doubles a great view. So if that's your thing, I could totally understand why people would want to book those. I do think of all the Caribbean islands I've stayed on, as I said, St. Lucia, Antigua, Tobago, this resort has the best sort of ocean front of them all. I've just been enchanted by it every single day. Anyway, I'm off for breakfast and then off to catch my plane. So I hope you've enjoyed my videos from Mango Bay. It comes thoroughly recommended by this Brit. I'll speak to you soon.